The position of the driver's seat, steering wheel, and head restraint can be saved in memory. To set a seat profile in memory, first adjust the seat to the desired position, as well as the electronic steering wheel and head restraint if equipped. Side mirrors can be set as well. Once all variables are adjusted, press the Set button on the driver's door. The LED in the button will illuminate. Then press one of the numbered memory buttons. A tone confirms that the settings are stored. To recall a saved profile, with the door open and the ignition off, press the desired memory button once briefly. The seat will adjust to the settings in the profile. If the door is closed or the ignition is switched on, press and hold the memory button until the seat and mirrors are fully adjusted to the settings in the seat profile.